Hello, I'm Richard Hunter and welcome to our look ahead for the week commencing the 17th of August. It's been one of those weeks where there's been some bad news coming along, but it's basically been shrugged off by investors. The FTSE 100, for example, is actually up by 1% over the week, and that's despite a fairly horrendous UK GDP number. The way the year seems to be panning out is obviously we had the March impact of the pandemic, which ate into Q1. Q2 was economically something of a write-off. Hopes for something of a rebound in Q3, question mark over Q4 on the basis that the furlough scheme will have finished, unemployment could potentially rise. In terms of the States, despite the fact there seems to be a stalemate on any further fiscal stimulus, investors have chosen to take the optimistic route. And obviously that's quite apart from any rumblings going on in terms of the US-China relationship. So in the year to date, we have a situation now where the Dow Jones is down just 2.2%. S&P 500 trying to nudge towards record highs. It's up 4.4% in the year to date. Nasdaq still powering ahead, 23% up, and the FTSE 100 down 19%. Turning to next week, we've got something of a light corporate calendar. We're now obviously in the holiday season. One to look out for potentially is the house builder Persimmon with its half-year numbers. It's around 7% down in the year to date, but if you measure it from the March low, the shares have recovered by some 64%. Certainly not all plain sailing during the pandemic. Last time we heard from Persimmon, their revenues had taken a 32% hit. But there's any number of factors playing into the house builders at the moment, such as the stamp duty holiday, potential extension of the Help to Buy scheme, mortgage availability, historically low interest rates, and of course a housing shortage. So it'll be interesting to get an update from them. In terms of the mining sector, a couple to look out for: BHP and Antofagasta. BHP are up about 3% in the year to date. Antos are up about 21%. A couple of things have been working in their favour: an early Chinese recovery, both of them having some exposure to either gold and or copper in terms of what they're mining, and both continuing to pay dividends at this stage. And again, since those March lows, it's been a fairly strong performance. BHP having added 94% and Antos having added 81%. Thank you for watching. Have a great week.